We present DTGBrepGen, a novel BREP generative model that decouples topology and geometry generation. BREP is the standard format for 3D shape modeling. A BREP structure is composed of three fundamental elements: vertices, edges, and faces. The topological structure defines the connectivity between these elements. It describes how vertices are connected to form edges, and how edges combine to form faces. In contrast, the geometric attributes provides the precise spatial definitions of each element. However, automatically generating BREPs remains challenging due to the complexity of maintaining both topological relationships and geometric accuracy. Our key innovation lies in decoupling topology generation from geometry generation. First, for topology generation, we break it down into two steps. The first is edge-face adjacency generation, which captures the relationships between edges and faces. And second is edge-vertex adjacency generation, which defines how edges connect through vertices. With this topology, we employ transformer-based diffusion models to progressively generate geometries. For edge-face generation, we represent the relationships as a graph, equivalent to a face-edge-face matrix showing shared edges between faces. We convert the upper triangular portion into a sequence and train our model to learn its distribution. For edge-vertex generation, we introduce a novel sequential method to convert edge-vertex adjacencies into a sequence. Starting from an edge, we follow a direction, adding the IDs of connected endpoints one by one until the loop is complete. This gives us a sequence representation of the adjacency. To process this sequence, we first use a transformer encoder to extract contextual embeddings. These embeddings are then gathered based on the input sequence to create a combined embedding. Finally, the transformer decoder, paired with a pointer network, generating a new sequence that captures the adjacency relationships. For geometry generation, DTGBrepGen integrates the generated topology and uses transformer-based diffusion models to sequentially produce face bounding boxes, vertex coordinates, edge geometries, and face geometries. A key technical innovation is our use of B-spline representations for edges and faces, allowing direct learning of control point distributions. We benchmarked DTGBrepGen against DeepCAD and BrepGen. Qualitatively, DTGBrepGen produces more coherent and structurally accurate BREP models. Quantitatively, our method outperforms others across most metrics, achieving particularly notable improvements in the valid metric, which reflects its ability to generate well-formed and watertight BREP structures. In a class condition generation task on the furniture BREP dataset, DTGBrepGen effectively captures category-specific features while maintaining structural diversity. Compared to BrepGen, our method achieves approximately 10% higher valid scores across all categories, underscoring its capability in generating structurally valid, category-specific models. We also extend DTGBrepGen to point cloud condition generation. Our model produces diverse yet coherent BREPs that faithfully preserve the geometric characteristics of the input, demonstrating its versatility and effectiveness. In summary, DTGBrepGen sets a new standard in BREP generation by decoupling topology and geometry, ensuring high-quality, structurally valid outputs that are adaptable to various applications.